Alright guys, we're getting ready to go on a 1.5 hour drive to Fort Plain to go see some boats go through the lock. So hopefully we see some sailboats. Alright guys, we are 26 miles in. We're at Sharon Springs gas station, Stewart's. We're going to fill up with high test. Babe's legs are already hurting. My neck's a little stiff. There's my dad and sister. Alrighty, she is full. 26 miles. I thought I had a half tank. $4.10. Oh, we're here in Sharon Springs. Got my coffee. This bee won't leave me alone. Can't really see him on camera. There, you got a little glimpse of him. My dad, my sister.
Next stop is
Edwin and Allie.
about 20 minutes. We'll be there.
Okay, we're 26.5 miles in so far. Babe got a drink. There it is. And I guess we're gonna keep going. I gotta chug this coffee.
After we stop over there at McDonald's, and it's gonna be
There's that bee. It's on my
3
head.
minutes to the lock after that.
Cool. Okay, awesome. All right, guys, we made it. We're in Palatine Bridge. Mileage 38 miles in. We stopped at the McDonald's.
Yeah, we'll get to hear the trains go by and hopefully boats.
Trains and boats. We just came through there.
You want to get a picture of me by the McDonald's?
That is a big McDonald's sign. Alright, we're heading off. 3 minutes, we should be to the lock where there's trains. Graveyard over there. Little graveyard by that tree, that's weird. We arrived at the first lock. 38.8 miles. Bunch of geese down there. We called for Mama. None of them seemed to. Here's the lock. They come in here, and then it must close there, and then they pump them up to that elevation. Pretty cool. So this lock is an 8-foot elevation change, and you can see all the water coming in under it. Or there might be a train coming by soon too. But yeah, there's water rushing right through that lock. Needs some maintenance. Yeah, look at them big old timbers. That's coming right under it, right? This is quite the walk, Claire. Edwin, hold on. You're going through your first lock. Wow, look at those big hinges. Water.
Oh yeah, they don't have it all the way
Look at them big gears.
Yeah.
The lock house. Here comes the first train. Wow, that was a short little guy. Amtrak. That was a passenger train, I think.
Yeah.
What do you think of the train, buddy? What do you think of the train, Allie?
Going to New York City, yeah.
I was looking over there because I thought it was a pole.
Oh. So they lift the gates up with these chains.
Oh, painter gates.
And they can control the water level. That's pretty amazing. Giant chains and pulleys. Smell the chains. Oh, so the water's coming this way on this one. Authorized personnel only. Danger. Way downstream. giant cameras.
Oh, there's the plane.
Plane where?
Over there.
Oh, I see it. I can't get on video.
I'm hungry.
Amazon, there's all your Amazon packages.
Yeah.
Yeah, look how big that tree is.
That tree is huge.
Wow. That's the biggest tree I've seen in New York. That's got to be thousands of years old. Oh, it's all rotten in the middle.
I'll get in there.
Yeah, this tree's dangerous. That's why I think they have it safe.
He moves so fast.
He's a crawling.
Are you
Yeah. You ready for food? Look at that.
Yeah.
They look awesome.
There's a hot pepper in it.
Well, everyone's gonna try french fries.
Is that yummy?
He doesn't like it. He keeps putting it back in his mouth, though. True.
That's funny.
Allison would like a fry.
Allie, did you eat that pickle?
Not yet.
Wickles. Original pickle.
Thanks, Dad.
There's train tracks out.
Another train coming. There's the arms going down.
Catch here.
That's cool.
Ready? Here comes the train.
I hear it. That'd be cool to drive a train. Yeah. I always wanted to do that. Hop on the train and see where it takes me. Look at all the graffiti on it. Yeah, well, it's probably been all over. You watching the train, buddy? There's a big train. A lot of cars.
Hey, Edwin. What do you think of that tree? Huh? Isn't that a nice tree? It is.
What a beautiful day and view.
Fresh stars.
Too bad there
Oh
was
yeah,
no
on that
bed.
trailer.
I hear another train.
Yeah, there's
Yeah,
a lot of
there's another
trains.
freighter
This is
coming.
what, the fourth one?
Yeah. East-west corridor. All through the bookstore.
Wow.
Alright. I see it.
I can't really see that from where we are. Look, the back of the train is still way back there by that bridge. It's still coming under it. The back of the train is way down there in the front. That thing's got to be close to a mile long. Alright guys, here comes our first boat, finally. That's what we came here for. And maybe it's, I don't see a mast, so I don't think it's a sailboat. But it is a boat. We're going to watch it go through the lock. Guys, here comes our first boat into the lock. Pretty cool, makes me want to sailboat so much more. But yeah, he's gonna come in here. And they're gonna close that gate right there. And then they're gonna pump him up 8 feet in the elevation and let him go out the other side.
He sees the boat, he's getting excited.
Here he comes, he's probably gonna tie up here soon.
Yeah, I'm surprised I ain't seen the lock tender anywhere.
He must have called him on the radio, I would imagine.
I don't think he's
Looks like a solar boat. Got the generator for bad weather. 33. Nice. She's a beaut. She's all electric? That's awesome.
Someday me and my dad want to get a sailboat. How come it's not getting higher?
They gotta close the gate first.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a beautiful boat. Poor guy came in here and there doesn't seem to be a lock tender coming out to do the lock. No, it usually don't take this long. The lock tender's supposed to be out here pumping this up. Well, there's no one here. The guy's slacking on the job, so this guy's backing out. Hopefully somebody will be back so we can see the lock work. The lock tender just came out of the building. I don't know if he was sleeping or what, but he looks half asleep. And he's walking funny. But here comes the boat again. And we got another boat coming this way. A big boat. Nice. Closing the lock. Doors. And then they're gonna pump it up. That'll probably start filling immediately because that lock is leaking down there. And they got the boat coming the other way. She's closed. Now they're gonna start filling it. Yeah, it's going up. Maybe I am getting it. I can't tell. My phone's so dead. Gates are opening. I can't really see what I'm recording because my phone's so dead. There he goes up in the air. And that's how the lock works. I don't know if these boats are gonna go through the lock, but they're lined up like they are, but those are sweet. Yeah, those are nice boats. We got the top fly bridge, middle deck, and then probably a below deck. Which one do you guys like? The red one? The black one. Now you can see going across the same way we came The water's the same height. Now we're gonna head to Wintergreen Park, I guess. Check that out. They even have a porta potty here. Handicap accessible, pretty spacious. They could have found a more level ground to put it on. But we made it to Wintergreen Park, but you can't drive in there, so we're gonna walk this trail.
Trail begins here.
Oh, they got picnic tables here too.
Oh yeah,
Can you camp at park?
some of them.
There we go.
Hi guys.
Here's a map.
It's about Devil's Hole,
Checking it out
boiling
here.
pot, dam,
Or not.
cemetery, lower cemetery, whatever it's called, water tower, Canterbury bus garage, turtle hole, lady slipper, Wintergreen Park, ball field, staging area, landing zone.
They just got circles, but
Nothing's on there.
yeah, like oh, they're all circles. Which one is which?
Pretty nice trail.
Right the heck off.
Wait, stay back, Allie. That's a clip.
If you're standing here, you can see way the hell down by the water.
Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, you'd be a goner if you fell off of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, all of us would, not just me.
Doo-doo-doo. Beautiful. Oh, they got a fence there. Don't mind that. We'll send the girl and the baby first. A woman and the baby. And the kid. Yeah, that's what we were just talking about. It's crazy. Back up, Allie. Wow. Go by the fence, Allison. That's like a 200-300 foot drop. It doesn't look like it on camera, but there's water way down there. Dead. Yeah, if that ledge gives out, you can't really tell on camera. That is way down there.
Here, I'm gonna throw one. This is a trail.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Crazy. All rocks down there. Oh, we just cut back up here because the trail keeps going downhill. There's the bike way over there.
It's probably gonna be harder for you to push him through this field than it would be to
Go on the trail back.
push him on the trail.
Yeah.
Cool little tree. Yeah, there's some serious banks on that trail. Camera doesn't do them justice. Alright, we're at almost 42 miles. We're going to the next lock. Let's see how she starts. Ready to go. Babe's ready. This is lock number 15. Beautiful. You can see the buoys in the water. And then the lock is way up there. We were just at it, but we're running out of time. We're gonna try and go to a 44-foot tall lock. This one was only 8 foot like the other one. So we're heading to Little Falls and we're gonna see the 40-foot tall lock, 44 foot. Miles right now, 48. Almost 48 and a half.
So we're in Fort Plain. That's this building, beautiful building with this painting
Artwork on it.
and a butterfly. Says, spread your wings and share your magic. Tag us in your photo. 2024. This must have just been painted.
Yeah. We're in Little Falls, and this is the last lock. It's supposed to be 44 feet tall.
See, they
You
got
just
another
gotta
one of
walk.
them white buoys over there. It says, don't go this way. Because it's not the way.
Yeah, so you stay on the left. The buoy's way up there.
Oh, small buoy.
Yeah, it is.
But you could kind of see not to go that way if you're a big boat.
Yeah.
These old buildings. Factory or something, you think?
That might be,
Well, like that one looks abandoned.
yeah.
Most people could live in that.
Probably.
I'm sure.
Mine's living there. Like over there.
We're going down now. I found this cave. Goes way back in. Don't go in the alley.
I see some wrapper in there.
Alright. Maybe it's LL Cool J. Look at the geese up there on top of the wall.
They're not on the wall.
Don't jump. Mama! Yep. Too much stuff on the back. Good thing he's strapped in. Danger power plant. Intake keep clear. Rapidly changing currents.
Look how close that clear on the road.
Yeah, that's awesome. Very cool. That must be the 44 feet of elevation from down there to up here. Surveillance. Do we dare? You can't really see, but there's a waterfall down there. That's crazy. The claw. Wonder what they use that for.
Picking up big things.
Big rock there. Yeah, it does kind of look like a face.
Maybe it's the next.
Whoa.
Oh, they're doing the killing.
Oh, that's cool.
I'd love to do that.
Oh, there's the face. So now I see it.
I'd love to do that.
Yeah, maybe when you get older. You gotta have the right gear. What a beautiful spot. Cool.
I have to get a picture of the alley way up there.
Huge rocks.
Yeah, you were.
Climbing up the mountain. We're at the lock. Lock 17. This one's huge. All these gears and cables.
Oh my gosh, Cole. Look how deep that is.
Yeah, now this is a lock. Wow. That's insane. We made it. That guy we seen at Lock 14 is just getting here.
Beat him.
We just wanted to make sure you made it safely. And yeah, the gate's going down. Oh yeah, that's a weight. The white thing's a weight, and it's dropping the gate, I guess. Man, that is a long way down. Oh, he's going a little sideways there. He's gonna come up here and open the valves, he said. What, the valves in that building?
No, they're down below. That's the operating room.
So we'll see this.
These cables will start turning, yeah.
Nice.
And that's what they go down to. They lift up the valve doors that go down there.
Cool. Here comes the water filling up.
It's like a big sea monster.
Yeah, it does. Look at that. See all the water pouring in, Allie? Yeah, it does. It's so funny that the same guy we saw at Lock 14, now we're at 17. He's going up. So I figured I'd take you over here and show you the difference in the water level on each side of the lock. That don't look like a lot, but it is a lot. And then this is how far it's come up. Oh, it's a good 10 feet higher already. There's our boat. Massive chains that run that gate. That's insane. That is a chain right there. Then that giant weight is what counterbalances the gate when it comes up. Whew. You having fun looking at the locks and the boats? Love you. Looks like they went across. The lock tender's really cool here. He's explaining everything to us. Two very different sites. He's coming up slowly. Okay. Oh, gotcha. See the faces in the rock? The boy on the top and the old man on the bottom. That's awesome. This is moving now.
I'm diving.
He's almost up here now. His roof's almost even. See the gear moving to open the valve. Now a lot more water in quicker. His top is almost level with the sidewalk. Just about there now, guys. Just got to come up to where that water's seeping through. And I think that's the height.
Yep. I'm trying my best not to let him get on me.
He's up here past
I don't know if those are
concrete.
poisonous or not.
Allie's got a jumping spider.
Say hi.
Cool.
He's so cute.
He's cool.
Yeah.
Edwin.
Edwin!
Say hi, everybody.
Oh, there goes the gear.
You just smiled too.
Yeah. Closing the valves up.
Valves, water.
Very cool. Big electric motor that powers it. Then he's going to open the gate. So once it equalizes, he was just saying that the gate will open a little bit on its own, release the pressure. He's getting ready to open the gates. Or that, oh, that was it releasing? Cool. Now he's opening them up. 44 feet. Oh, you can see the water coming in. Very cool.
Wow!
And the guy from lock 17 made it. Or lock 14.
Hi, Dad.
Edwin!
Watching the thing open. Oh my goodness! There he goes! There he goes! Are you gonna laugh? Are you gonna laugh? Oh my goodness! Oh my! Oh my! Are you gonna laugh? Are you gonna laugh? Are you laughing? There he goes! He's like, bye! He's like, bye! Huh? What? It's so funny. What?
You made it! Yeah, right. Awesome.
Cool. Are you gonna laugh? 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 Where's the laugh? Where's the laugh?
He's in a good mood for being up all day. Hi, buddy. You want daddy? Or you want my phone?
And the phone.
Almost looks like smoke coming out behind you. Yeah. It's just rock wash, I think. Look how
Edwin!
big. I like the bow of that boat. It's pretty wide.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's Edwin.
I can't wait
You
till
got
we get a
Dada.
sailboat.
He's so loud. You got Dada.
A little of them sandwiches and head back.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you much.
Some artwork that somebody drew.
That out and I'm gonna send it to you.
The lock tender was very cool. I brought over this stuff. Coloring book for the kids, some information on the locks. Cool dude right there.
We're gonna have to start walking back because
Alright guys, say goodbye. It's 6:30 just about. We're gonna be heading back to Jefferson. We got 65.9 miles on the bike so far. We'll see what we're at when we get back. It's gonna be slow going because it's gonna be getting dark and cold. We'll see you when we get home.
And we still got stock at Walmart.
Yep.
okay.
Bye, guys.
Oh, that's what it'll benefit now. guys, we just got here. We're about 30 minutes from home. We're at 111.2 miles. You can't really see it. 1.4. So we're on the home stretch. It's dark, it's cold. We'll see you when we get home. Somebody's coming behind.
Just go.
Alright guys, we're home. Bike ran great. It was freezing coming up the mountain. Final mileage count 127.6 today. Not bad. She needs a bath. Well, yeah, now I gotta bring the garbage down. It's garbage night, and I gotta work at 4:30 in the morning. Chickens are all okay. They were all in their coop when we got home. We just had to close the door, feed and water them. So that's good. You guys all have a good day or night whenever you see this. God bless.